Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Promotes Art. If you're interested in learning filmmaking, then this is the right place for you. And today we will understand about shot size. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe my channel for more information and tutorials on filmmaking and photography. What is a shot size in filmmaking? Well, the answer is simple. Shot size is how much of the setting or subject is displayed within a given frame of a video and in a photograph. This same rule also applies in animation movies. Shot choices help establish the rhythm, tone, or mood and meaning of a scene. The director should know which shot will be the most aesthetically and dramatically valuable for a given scene, and this should be the highest priority for a director. I hope you understood. If not, then let's deep dive into the ocean. Well, now I pause this video for you, and now you have to observe. You have to observe how much of the setting or subject is displayed within a given frame of a video. I believe you have observed now, and I hope you got the answer. If you don't know about the settings, then you should watch my video Mise en scène, where I have explained about the setting with a demonstration. I will leave the link in the description box. Please go ahead and watch for your better understanding. Thanks for watching this video, and please stay tuned for the next video, which will be about establishing shot.